Hello there, my friend, and welcome to day number 16 of this 30-day content marketing strategy training, where I take you by the hand and walk you step by step by giving you content ideas, 30 days worth of content ideas that you can use to create videos to help you generate leads for your business. So if this is the first video you've come across, there's going to be a link in the description to a playlist where you can go from video 1 all the way to 16, 30 and clone what I'm doing, make it your own. Okay, the way you're going to get to do business with your target audience is to get them to know, like, and trust you. Now, yesterday was day 1 of our 5-day challenge. Have you started your challenge? If not, go back and take action on that video. Now, today I'm going to go ahead and go into day 2. But before I do, if you are interested in learning in getting live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6- and 7-figure earners, right? Stick around to the very end because I have an exciting gift for you. Okay. So step 2 in building a successful business online is to actually work very, very smart and have a done-for-you automated marketing system working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. What that means for you is you can spend more time doing the things that you love with the people that you love, okay? You can be making money while you're sleeping, while you're having fun with your family and friends and loved ones, okay? So how do you do that? Well, you need to actually have something of value that your target audience needs, right? And then you need to give this away in exchange for the contact information, okay? Because most people will take an average of about 7 times being in context, seeing your stuff before they make a decision to buy. So what you want to do is you want to capture the information so that you can start to follow up with them, right? So if you were in the offline space, you wouldn't go up to a stranger and ask them to join you, to partner with you in a business, right? It's the same. You'd walk up, it's the same online. You have to go up to them and deliver value, okay? Introduce yourself, get them to know, like, and trust you before getting into business with them, okay? So the way you do that is by having a lead magnet. And once they give you the information, you then deliver that lead magnet to them, and then you take them to a sales page where done for you tools and resources do the telling and the selling for you. Your job as a marketer is not to do the telling and the explaining, right? Your job is to direct people to the tools and resources that take care of all that, okay? So let me know in the comments, would you rather spend your time trying to break down your compensation plan, your products, or would it be a lot easier for you to just point them into your marketing system and be rest assured that the system will do the rest, okay? So you need to have a sales page that does that, kind of warms them up, right? When your prospects should only ever see your link after they've been convinced, right, of they already know what it is, what's all about. They've warmed up to it. You just don't throw that link to them directly, okay? So and then when they opt in, you have a series of emails going out to them, delivering value, sharing proof, and encouraging them to go back to that sales page so that they can learn more, okay? So you can actually go out there, if your company doesn't have one, create your own lead magnets, your own capture page, your own sales pages, your own videos and all that. However, if you're not tech savvy and you don't have the time, then let me show you what we have done for you, okay? So here is the opt-in page, right? So you can see here, we have a done-for-you automated marketing system. So the page 1 here, actually, I'm giving away a 10K in 30 days guide. This is a free copy that when you put your email address here, you get this free, right? But wait, there's more. When I deliver this guide to you, you actually get, I give you access to a community of thousands and thousands of like-minded entrepreneurs who can be there so you can ask any questions, you can see their income proof and all that stuff, right? So, so this is all done for you, okay? And then once you put in your information here, right, you then land on this thank you page where, again, there's a short video here that does the selling and the telling while your guide is being delivered to you, as well as access to our community. So make sure you check your spam, your promotional folder, so you don't miss that out. So you can see here, I didn't have to create this. It's all there done for me. I just had to make it my own, okay? And then when you click here, right, you're taken to this page here that warms you up even. It breaks down even more how our system works. And then if you're interested in joining, you can click here to get started, okay? So all this here is done for you, where you don't have to figure out the text, the copy, the video, all that, right? You just have to follow simple step-by-step instructions to make this your own. As well as having this done for you systems, we have some amazing bonuses that are available to all you fast action takers. We have a community where I'm going to share with you where you can actually get access to 38,000 members, see the income proof, share the stories, ask questions, where you can get access to live coaching and mentorship. You have a Canva crash course that teaches you how to create stuff on Canva images, all these bonuses here, okay? You have a 30-day marketing strategy growth plan is actually what I'm using in this 30-day video series, right? So there's a video and a PDF, and that's exactly what I'm doing, and I'm 16 days into this, right? How to start an online business in MRR. Do you know what MRR is? Type MRR in the comments if you know what that is. It's just about master resale rights, how you can sell a program. You can buy it once, consume it, apply what you're learning, and then you have the rights to resell it over and over again for life, okay? Here, if you want to create product, we have 200 digital product ideas. And then Invisible Empire is how to create a faceless brand. If you don't want to show your face, then that's very, very powerful. So before I finish up this video here, I want to share with you our first bonus here, right? This bonus, our community, okay? So here is our community. And we can see here we have 38,387 members. These are paid members who joined our community. Now, this is a bonus. This is a cherry on top, right? In our community, this is where you get access to live interactive coaching and mentorship. So you can see every week there, we have coaching and mentorship. So here we can go to the 10th, Tuesday. You can see the CEO of Repurpose.io is going to do training with us, right? This is tools that we can use to repurpose our content. So imagine the CEO coming to teach us how to use his tools to build our business faster, right? And then we have on Tuesday, we have a technical support call, because you do have to, even though these are done for you, you just have to make them your own, right? So if you're stuck, you're struggling, you're not tech savvy, you can attend these calls and mute yourself, ask any questions and have the questions answered. And then we have a mentoring call. These calls are from 6-7-figure earners who are teaching us how they got where they are, okay? And then Wednesday, we have another tech call. We have tech calls a couple of times a week. We have another mentor, another 7-figure earner, is going to show us exactly what he did to earn, to get from where he was to where he is now. And then we have another support call. So support, live coaching, and mentorship, where we actually unmute ourselves, ask any questions, right? This is a 90-day success sprint where the owner of this actually goes and sends us a daily video. The video is between 5 to 10 minutes long, where it's like I have her here by my side, walking me step by step, giving me ideas of what I need to do to build my business. Very, very powerful. Mentoring calls, replays, all the mentoring calls I've missed are in here. I can access them. I have a content vault that I can download information onto my devices and then use this content to upload it onto social media, okay? Social media training, mindset training, 80% of success is mindset. We have some six figures, people who've earned six figures in 6 months. They show us how they did it, and so on and so forth. This, my friends, is the cherry on top. It's a bonus. It's not actually what you're paying for. Very, very powerful. So here you can see I can log in here and always be reminded about when the next training is happening, okay? And then here we have wins of the day. So quickly, before I finish off here, let me just share with you, make sure, yeah, I'm sharing my screen 10 minutes in. So I'm going to finish off here by sharing financial wins, okay? Marsha, 3 hours ago, $300 ding while live. Well, she was live, made a $300 ding, okay? 6 months in, debt-free. Karen, congratulations. In the last 6 months, she's made over $60,000, paid off all my debt and helped my youngest with her university fees, right? Congratulations, well done. I quit my oil rig job March 25, just 1 month after joining. Absolutely amazing, Karen, congratulations, okay? New sale, Jeanette, 2 hours ago, while I was spending time with my husband, I made $100, congratulations. Amber, 2 hours ago, over $25,000 in 50 days. Imagine making over $25,000 in 50 days, right? Somebody pinch me. All right, congratulations, Amber. I feel so blessed. The only obstacle is me, okay? Absolutely, okay? Excited. Jennifer, 30 minutes ago, $900 while picking up my son. He celebrated with me. Imagine celebrating a $900 with your son. Imagine the conditioning that you're doing. $900 while picking up my son from school. I had just fixed So we have, Victoria, 400,000 in 13 months unlocked, okay? She's been in the program 13 months. She's earned 400,000. She's actually gone and bought herself a home, right? Mama, busy mom of 3 children. Absolutely amazing. These people get to coach us and coach us every week. Wilden, 1 day ago, $900 ding, busy while helping a client with info, $2,100 for the week, right? Would $2,100 per week make a difference, right? Here's somebody else sharing faceless marketing success. Lizelle, 4,100 first 5 days of September, yesterday, right? Yeah, she had to work 4 months previously to make this kind of money. Life-changing. Congratulations. Kyle, 21 days ago, first $900 sale. I got my first $900 while tending to my yard sale, right? So she's making money in her yard sale and she gets this notification. Rebecca, 8 hours ago, made $7,000 in 14 days, about $500 a day. Not too bad, yeah? God is good. I made $7K in 14 days. On the 300 blueprint. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations, right? So what I want to do is I want to invite you to go ahead and click the link below to grab your free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide. Check your email, your spam, your promotion folders. Because when I deliver the email to you, I'll give you access to a free version of our private members community where you can ask any questions, log arms, see what other testimonials are in there. I'm here to help you make an informed decision. So respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. Let's see if this is the right opportunity for you. Thank you so much for watching this to the very end. If you found value, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.